Today is our new topic about the Fibonacci sequence using a recursion. Right, so Fibonacci sequence, let's understand what is Fibonacci sequence. So Fibonacci sequence means the sum of a previous two number. So for example, we have 0 and 1. So in Fibonacci sequence, 0 and 1 will be our base condition, which is a fixed, right? So they are the fixed one number. Now Fibonacci sequence means sum of two previous number. So we have base number which are fixed, 0 and 1. We are going to calculate 1, and our another one will be 1 plus 1 2, and we are going to calculate sum of two previous numbers. So 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8. So this is how the Fibonacci sequence work. So the Fibonacci sequence rule will be Fn is equal to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. So this is the Fibonacci sequence formula. So we will see this formula step by step how we are going to do it. So we have two base number, they are the fixed, right? So they are f0 means 0 and f1 is 1, right? So these are a base condition which are a fixed, and now we will calculate this formula by using our nth number. So let's take our nth number 5, right? So 5, from 5 we are going to calculate. So 5 is equal to 5 minus 1, so we are going to use nth. So 5 minus 1 plus f 5 minus 2, so there will be a 5 f4 plus f3, right? And similarly f4 will be f3 plus f2. Similarly we will break again, and here again there will be Fibonacci 3 is equal to f2 plus f1. Similarly 2 as well, 1 plus 0. So all together this value will come. So Fibonacci 0 and 1 means as we know that they are fixed, so it will return 0 and 1. And now by calculating that, Fibonacci 2 means 1, Fibonacci 3 means 2, Fibonacci 4 means 3, and Fibonacci 5 means 5. So these are the conditions how it is going to work. And also we have here in Fibonacci sequence, we have here, as we can see, we have two base conditions and one recursive call. This is our recursive call, and other one will be our, so this two will be our base condition. So similarly we will implement this on our code. Okay, let's implement our logic into this code. First of all, we will include studio.h. This helps us allow to write the printf and scanf. Now we are going to write a functional name which is our fib, and declare the int which integer of n. And now after this we are going to write our two base condition as we have already discussed. So two base condition will be in Fibonacci sequence, f0 means 0 and f1 means 1. So these are two fixed number, and also Fibonacci starts from 0, that's why. So if n is equal to 0, in that case return 0, right? So else if n is equal to 1, in that scenario please return 1. Okay, missing one r. So here return 1. After this else, what we have our recursive call, which is our Fibonacci, let's say n minus 1 plus Fibonacci n plus 2. So these are the two our recursive call, right? Now what are we going to do is we are going to print so here int, what are we going to print is int. Now simply we are going to declare our variable which we are going to use. Then after we are going to use the printf to enter the nth term, right? And then After then we are going to scanf and separate our data type, and then after we'll place it into the variable this name, right? So yeah, now what are we going to use is loop. So for I is equal to 0, because Fibonacci sequences start from 0 and I is less than n, in that scenario I plus plus increment the I, and then after you simply have to print f and separate the data type, and after that what are we going to do is we are going to print our Fibonacci I. So this is it, right? And then we have to end our call. We have to tell the program that we have completed our code. So let's check it out. So as we have already mentioned, first will be 0 and 1 will be 0 and 1 are the fixed number. After that we are going to calculate according to the sum of a previous two number. So Fibonacci sequence means that. So I'm going to enter nth term. So let's say 5, as we have already discussed about the fifth term, right? So let's say 5. So why 0 and 1? So let's see why it came. Okay, that is my mistake. What we did mistake is here plus, we have to do minus here. Let's check it out again. Okay, we have to write again the nth term. It's a little bit slow today. So as you can see here, 0 1 is our base number, which is a fixed one, and then after there will be 1 2 3 according to that. So this is 0 term 1 2 3 4, right? 0 1 2 3 4. So it came up to our fifth term, right? So this is our Fibonacci sequence. This is how we can write.